Today I'm about to tell you about 3 side hustles that is literally making some people $700. Some are making $1,000 per day. Yes, that's right, I said per day. What's up guys, this is Monique and welcome back to the channel. I am back with the news that you can use, but first, if you are new here, hello, bonjour, hola, aloha, konnichiwa, wagwan, shalom, assalamu alaikum, jambo, namaste. Did you know that people are making thousands a month by selling artwork online? And no, you do not have to be the next Picasso or Michelangelo to do it. What people are doing are downloading photos like these and they sell it on a website like Etsy. If we look on Etsy, this photo here is going for $4,350. Here's a Bob Marley photo that's going for $1,400. Now I'm sure you probably like, Monique, people cannot do that because of copyright infringement. But my friends, I am here to tell you it is very possible because of 2 words: public domain. There's some artwork out there that you can use that has no exclusive intellectual property rights because it has expired, it never applied, or it has been forfeited. So that means you don't have to worry about going to court. So how this works is people search for photos on public domain websites like Raw Pixels, Unsplash, or freeimages.com. All you have to do is go to freeimages.com. You will come over here by this bar and select Find Art. And then you can type in whatever type of topic that you are interested in doing. Did you know that the Mona Lisa is actually a photo that you can use because it's a part of the public domain? You are able to print onto a canvas or a poster or do whatever you would like with it, and you can make money for it. But you can search any topic. There are thousands of photos for you to choose from, and it's absolutely free. And even if you're not interested in selling like the photos and pictures itself, one really hot area that you can look into is selling motivational canvases. Like the one right here that I found on Etsy. It's really simple on a black background, and you can actually create this for free on Canva, and look at how much they're selling it for, $215. And this particular seller has gotten 307 sales from selling things like these motivational canvases. So let's say that all 307 of those sales came from this particular canvas. So that means this has made $66,000. I'm trying to give y'all free ways to get started with these businesses, but not only free ways to get started, to start businesses that will actually make you some money. And you can make this even more simpler by connecting your Etsy store to a print-on-demand company, and every time a customer places an order, they will print those posters or photos for you and they will ship it to the customer, which means you don't have to worry about inventory, you don't have to worry about print and shipping labels, you don't have to deal with the customers at all. You can just create and make money. And if you want a detailed video on how you can do this, if you need me to take you step by step, drop it down in the comments and I'll do that for you. And since most of the things that we do are online, let me tell you about today's sponsor, Aura. Aura protects your data from hackers, scammers, and spammers. One thing Aura does is they continuously monitor the dark web looking for your social security number and passwords, and they send alerts fast to your phone and email when they find anything. After I signed up for Aura, I received an alert up top right here that said my information had been found on the dark web over 28 times. And another thing Aura does is give you near real-time alerts on suspicious credit inquiries. Their VPN allows you to stay anonymous online by keeping your browsing history and personal information safe and encrypted. And their antivirus software will block malware and viruses before they infect your devices. So protect yourself and your family from identity theft at aura.com/Hinton. And if you sign up right now, Aura will give you a 2-week free trial so you can see for yourself how many times Aura finds you or your family members' personal information on the dark web. And if you sign up, let me know in the comments below how many times your personal information is found. So this next side hustle is super easy to do, and it brings in a lot of money for doing something that you would normally do anyway. How often do you find yourself on Amazon buying stuff? Last year alone, I literally bought over 100 items. But did you know that you can get paid to review those items and other ones on Amazon? All you have to do is record yourself reviewing the product.
All right, I'm gonna show you all this cool little gadget. This is an eye massager. It has become my favorite. It is super nice.
And for those of you that do not like to be on the screen, don't worry. You do not have to show your face. You just record the product and talk about your experience with it.
This crate is made of metal. The one I have here is considered the large with a single door. And once inside, it is very spacious. It has a tray that is also removable and very easy to clean.
And whenever someone views your video and purchases that product, you'll get a commission. And the good thing about this one, you don't have to have a large following to do it. In fact, you don't have to have a following at all. You can find popular products like this one that gets many sales and thousands of views a day, which means you are using Amazon's built-in customer base. And trust me when I say they get billions of sales a year. And with all of those sales, the first thing a customer is going to do is look at the reviews. So if you find popular items that don't really have any video reviews, then first and foremost, that is low competition for you, so you don't have to worry about this being oversaturated. So let me give you an example of this. So let's say you go to Amazon, you look at what's trending in the bestsellers. We're gonna go to, let's say, electronics, because those are higher ticket items. In electronics, one of the bestsellers they say right now is the Apple AirPods Pro. So we click on that. We see that it has 8,263 ratings. So if they have high ratings like that, that means even more people purchased it. So it actually says that the average review rate on Amazon is 1 to 2%. So that means that 800,000 people has probably purchased these headphones. But if we go over here just to review, we look under these videos, there's only 2 videos that's up there. Not a lot of competition for you. So if you decide to review this and someone purchased it because of you, over here it shows that the headphones is a 6% commission rate. So that means at $239, you got about $14.34 per sale. So let's say that out of all of those people that purchased it, 1% purchased it based on your video review, and 1% of that is 8,000. So of 8,000 people, that's $114,720 off of one review, y'all. And these numbers are not exact, y'all. I'm just trying to give you an idea of what this could look like for you. Now, just to let you know, if you are going to be reviewing items on Amazon, you have to have purchased the item. Now, I know you're probably like, Monique, I don't have $239 just sitting around to be buying this stuff just to review. But let me tell you a way that you can get to this money. People are purchasing the item, reviewing it, and then getting a refund. But don't tell them Monique told you that. That's just another way for you to tap into this opportunity. This is a big one that you do not want to miss out on. And again, for time's sake, I'm not going to go too much deeper into this. If you want me to do a detailed video on this one, then you also make sure you drop this down in the comments and I will do it for you. So for this last side hustle, I wanted to step away from the computer a little bit and take you outside into the sunlight. And this is another side hustle that has the potential to make you thousands a month. Some people are even getting $10,000 contracts to do this. And what I'm talking about is delivering medical supplies. And you won't need a CDL license for this. This is something that most people can do because it's not something that will require like a huge heavy lifting. You don't need big old truck, or you don't have to go and get vans. You can use your own car to do this. Now, you can't be driving a tick tick boom that you gotta get out and pray over every time you start it. They will have specifications on how old the vehicle has to be, and you'll have to have full coverage insurance, y'all. And you may make deliveries to Walgreens pharmacies or to doctors' offices. Now, like I said, there are companies that are offering $10,000 contracts for deliveries. If you prefer to work hourly, they're paying up to $50 an hour. And the places that you can look for these contracts and jobs is cbdriver.com. There's also another one called Bungee Driver, and they have something called Dispatch. They have many more apps and sites that I can share with you guys. If you're interested, you know what I'm gonna say. Drop it down in the comments and I'll do a more detailed video on this one. But just a little FYI, you don't have to only deliver medical supplies. They also have retail delivery if you're interested in that. There are so many good things out there right now for y'all to get started on, and I just wanted to give you a little variety today. So I thank you so very much for watching. That's all I have for you today, and until next time, we are out. Peace.